And the Lord God took the man and put him into the Garden of Eden to dress it and to keep it. Genesis 2-15. I love that verse because it reminds me, tending a garden is a sacred trust and a pure joy. And as the old saying goes, the best fertilizer is the gardener's shadow. Hey there, fellow garden lovers. If you're like me, you want to protect your plants without dumping chemicals into the soil. With prices creeping up on garden supplies, now's the perfect time to stock up on natural, budget-friendly pest solutions. Today, I'm sharing 4 natural pesticides I'm stocking now, before those price tags jump any higher. First up, neem oil. This stuff is legendary in the garden world. It comes from the seeds of the neem tree, and it acts as an all-purpose pest repellent. Aphids, spider mites, whiteflies, you name it, neem keeps them away. I buy a concentrated bottle and mix it with water and a little mild soap. Just spray it on leaves in the early morning and pests don't stand a chance. Second, diatomaceous earth. Sounds complicated, but it's really just fossilized algae ground up into a powder. It's completely natural, and when you sprinkle it around the base of your plants, it shreds soft-bodied insects like slugs and beetles. Pro tip, get food grade only and reapply after rain. Third, garlic spray. I whip up a super basic garlic spray by blending a few cloves with water, then straining and adding a little liquid soap. Garlic's strong scent masks your plants, confusing pests like aphids and cabbage moths. Spritz it on your veggies and herbs, but avoid spraying in direct sunlight to prevent leaf burn. And number 4, hot pepper spray. If you've got some extra hot peppers, or even just cayenne powder, mix them with water and dish soap. This spicy mix makes plants unappetizing to chewing insects and even some mammals. Always wear gloves when handling the spray and don't touch your eyes. So, those are the 4 natural pesticides I'm stocking up on right now. Neem oil, diatomaceous earth, garlic spray, and hot pepper spray. They're safe, effective, and affordable. And if you grab them before prices jump, your garden and your wallet will thank you. Remember, gardening isn't just about growing food, it's about caring for creation. Keep it natural, keep it joyful, and happy gardening.